Serena Joseph, you know how much I love your style, love your ways, you know what I'm saying? You're special, just like an angel. Just keep it up, you know what I'm saying? That's it. You are an angel in disguise. Serena Joseph, you are an angel in disguise. The way you move, the things you do, make me sing hallelujah. The things you say, the way you play, come on. The way you move, the things you do, make me shout hallelujah. The things you say, the way you play. I have seen a lot of beauty, I have met a lot of ladies, but none compares to you. But none come close to you. I bless the day that I first saw your videos. See, I bless the day that I first met you when you were talking. See, I like the things you do, I love the things you say. Girl, permit me, I love to steal you away. But I know you, Serena Joseph, and I respect you, and I love you, Serena Joseph. The way you move, the things you do, make me shout hallelujah. The things you say, the way you play. You are an angel in disguise. Serena Joseph, you are an angel in disguise. The way you move, the things you do, make me sing hallelujah. The things you say, the way you play, come on. The way you move, the things you do, make me shout hallelujah. The things you say, the way you play. There is something about you that makes it special. There is something about you that triggers me. There is something about you that make it so smooth. There is something about you, yeah, something about you, Serena Joseph. See, anytime I scroll past by, I love to check your videos, I love to go there, I love to check them. And anytime I see your face, yeah, I like to watch you, I like to check on you. Serena Joseph, yeah, check on Serena Joseph on all social media platforms, you know. She's got all the vibes, and she's got all the moves, she's got all the crews, you know what I'm saying? Anything cool, anything vibing, anything beauty, Serena Joseph is always there to render services worldwide in any spec of request. Hey! Serena Joseph, you are an angel in disguise. Serena Joseph, you are an angel in disguise. The way you move, the things you do,